Mwalimu wa math mwenyewe. So mwalimu wa math today
Yeah.
So mzazi ako pale Bungoma town, anataka afike Kibabii.
Bungoma pale CBD.
So hebu mu explainie vile anaweza fika Kibabii.
So mzazi akiwa Bungoma pale CBD, so we will start like this. Let the parent stand at point X. Are you with me? Are we together?
Yeah.
So at point X, let the parent draw a right angle triangle. Tuko pamoja?
Oh my God.
After drawing that right angle triangle, let the parent draw a perpendicular bisector to cut that right angle into 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Are we together?
Yeah.
The upper side, let the upper vertex of that triangle be A, B, C. After that, let the parent again draw two perpendicular bisectors. So the point where the perpendicular bisectors meet will be the point where Kibabii University is located. Tuko pamoja? Ama nikuongeze kitu?
Hebu ongeza kitu.
Najaribu kusema hivi. Akiwa hapo point X, she can use what we call SOHCAHTOA. So we know sin theta is equal to opposite of hypotenuse. So akitumia hiyo automatically atakuwa amepata where Kibabii University is located. Sina mambo mengi. Anaweza tumia calculator kama ana